Alright, so look. I'm not done yet.
Oh, dang it.
So talking to Dixie Garage in my comments, I had an idea, okay? Look, alright. I gave up on the starter pretty quick. And there's a reason for that, and I'll explain it later. But I got an idea. Alright, what if, and hear me out, what if there's extra resistance on the wires? The cables and all that mess. Okay. So what if we bypass the power distribution system altogether and just go straight to the starter? I think it could actually work.
So if there were, let's say, too much resistance on the ground or the power side, it would cause issues like what we saw. Put the ground straight on the ground and the power straight on the power.
We'll do what we did before. We'll put the key on and everything, but instead of powering the entire truck, we'll just put power to the starter and then rely on the alternator to do its job. So just in case, we'll take the intake tube off. Go ahead and spritz a little bit of magic juice down its throat. Put the ground on. So we'll go ahead and hook up to that. But if I touch the positives and everything's all hooked up, it should light off, right? Yep, now everything's getting hot again. Dang it! Kinda wanna hook my truck up to it while it's running. Get it right? Yes! So I'm hoping having them that close together allow me to just go back and forth as I need to. Shoot a little bit of go-go juice in it. Let's see if this works. Yeah, we're just gonna assume that nothing's gonna catch fire, except for the inside of the engine. Dang it! No, it's gotta be the starter. Big ol' shout out to the fellas over at Creator Cuts for clearing enough of the side yard for us to be able to make this all happen. Go check them out.